Is a Louis Vuitton bag really worth $1,500? Hi guys, as you can see from the title, in today's video I will be unboxing my Louis Vuitton Neverfull handbag. I'm so excited, and guess, you guys wouldn't even believe me, but I bought this an entire year ago and it's been sitting in my closet for a whole year. I've never worn it. I've never even took it out the box. So I thought, I actually watch a lot of these unboxing videos. So I'm like, you know what? I can do one myself because I have a brand new bag in my closet. So let's unbox. Okay, so I am unboxing for the very first time since I've been home, since April 2019. And you have the bag here. So I'll put this box to the side. And as you can see, it comes in the dust bag. And this is also just like the box, is a flap up bag. Before I open the box, I wanted to share my experience shopping at a Louis Vuitton store for the very first time. I actually went to the Louis Vuitton store in Milan, Italy, and it's the one that was right next to the Duomo, which is the big cathedral in the center of Milan. And prior to going to that one, because I knew I wanted to buy my bag there, but prior to going to that one, I went to Florence and I visited a Louis Vuitton store in Florence, and I asked the lady questions so I can sound, this might sound weird, but I asked the lady questions so I can know what I want. And when I actually went to the Milan Louis Vuitton store, I went in there and I was like, I want this, this, this. Although I was kind of indecisive when I actually was holding the bags in my hand, but I was kind of more informed. I knew that I wanted the Neverfull bag. The employees there were really, really nice. Of course, the store was super packed, and this was last year, so it was before the pandemic. But yes, the store was super packed. There were a lot of people there, and I was actually seen. I didn't have to wait that long to be seen. And the lady, she was, with me the whole entire time. She asked me what I wanted, and I told her I wanted the Neverfull bag, and then she gave me options. And you can choose between the darker brown color and the lighter tan color. Not quite sure what each color is called. So she gave me the option to choose which one I wanted. There's like, you have the checker print one, and then you have the classic LV one with the flowers and the LV on it. And then on the inside, you could choose to get either the cherry red or a pink color. So I chose, drum roll, please. Well, now if you saw the thumbnail, you know which one I chose. But I chose the checker print one. And it still smells like new, new leather. I chose the checker print one with the cherry red on the inside. So going back a little bit, the Neverfull is coming 3 sizes. You have the PM, which is the smallest size. You have the MM, which is the size that I got, it's the medium. And then you have the GM, which is the extra large bag. And I think that one is only $80 more than this one, but I knew that I wanted something that I can carry every day. And the big one, it just seemed a little bit too big for me. So I chose to get the Neverfull because I knew I wanted a Louis Vuitton bag. I didn't know exactly which one, but this one is a classic, and I also wanted something that I can wear with anything. So I can dress up an outfit with this. If I'm wearing like a pair of jeans and a cute top, I could dress it up with this bag. It can be an everyday bag for work. So as you can see, there is still a crease in it because it's been in the box for so long. But once you start wearing it, if I even put my hand in here, it will kind of straighten out. So first things first, the inside is cherry, like I mentioned before, and it has the Louis Vuitton symbol on the inside, and there's supposed to be a serial number right here, which is how you know it is the real authentic bag. Right there where my thumb is. And this bag comes along with this little wristlet type thing. There is a clasp that is hooked on the inside and can detach. And you can wear this as a wristlet. All you have to do is just clasp the thing on like that, and here you have your wristlet. And then you can also detach this and undo this, and it can be just a simple clutch if you're going out at nighttime. So I'll open this up. On the inside, this is the cherry red as well. And you have your Louis Vuitton little stamp right there. And on the inside of this, there is the Louis Vuitton little card. It says Louis Vuitton coated fabric, co-wide leather trim, man-made lining. And then here, it's just the description of the bag that I purchased. So it says the Neverfull MM and then some letters after that. And only authentic bags come with this, obviously. I'm very pleased with the bag so far. There's obviously no zipper. You can use this clasp to kind of close it, not really closing it, but getting the bag together. And then also you can cinch the sides in by pulling this here. It's a little stiff because, like I said before, I never worn this bag. I never even did this with this bag, but you get the drift. You pull it and it makes the bag a little bit smaller. And I'll cinch the other side in as well. I don't want to break it. But it's really cute either way. This one looks more like a bag. When it's not cinched in, it looks more like a tote bag. So really cute either way. And obviously I have the checker print pattern, and it was either between this or the classic print. So I'll pull this back out because I think I will be wearing it more like a tote. And I chose not to get my bag engraved, but it would have, if I would have gotten it engraved, it would be on one of these two sides here. And they do look really nice, but I just wanted to keep the bag in its original state. Maybe my next Louis V bag will be engraved. That's if I can afford another one. But I am very excited about this bag, and I don't know why. Actually, I do know why. I've been procrastinating opening this because I feel like this bag is so fancy and I paid so much money for it that I do not want it to get messed up, or like, you know, if I wear it if I like go to a friend's house or something and I put it on the chair and someone moves it to the floor. Like, first off, I hate when any bag of mine is put on the floor. But if someone puts my $1,000 bag on the floor, I would be livid. So that's kind of why I've decided to wait to opening this and actually using it. But YOLO. I bought it and I need to wear it. That's really it. I need to wear it. So right now, obviously I have nowhere to go, but I do plan on wearing it whenever I do head out the house. So this is my very first authentic luxury brand product, and I'm so excited to finally use this. It's so pretty, and I'm sure it could fit a lot. It's a Neverfull, so it's supposed to never get full. You can add a lot of stuff in here. It's very deep and wide as well, and there aren't that many pockets. There's just this one here. So I plan on buying a little organizer for this, because most of my bags, my big bags like this, my stuff is just thrown in the bag and there's no like organization at all. So I do want to keep this one more organized. I don't want to see like little pin marks on the bottom of it. So I am going to take care of this bag better than I do with any other bag that I own. And I've seen other videos where people talk about how the people actually sell these bags for like money, $50 to $100 online, because they're so quality. Like this is so thick. Like I did not want to throw away this bag or box, because I had to travel back from Milan with it, and but you best believe I was rolling through the airport with this on top of my suitcase, because I was not going to fold the bag and I was not going to throw away the box. So quality is everything. And this box, it's so sturdy. I love it. Now I'll talk a little bit about the pricing. And this was in my bag. I actually didn't realize I kept this, but since I got it out of the country, I was able to get some money back when I went to the airport for the taxes. So obviously all my receipts of big ticket items are all here. I think you have to spend more than $150 or something like that in order to get the tax refund. So this is the invoice here. You can see the big LV. And so there's two invoices. There's like one big invoice here, and then there's like two little receipts here. And so I bought this on April 13th, 2019, and I paid 990 euros for this. And I don't know if you can see that. And the 990. So, it says Mademoiselle, if that's how you say it correctly, Mademoiselle Gabrielle Glenn. The actual name of the store is Rinascente Piazza Duomo. So yes, I paid 990 euros, and I'll do like a calculation from euros to dollars, because I hear that Louis Vuitton increases their prices every year. So the price that I paid for it last year may not be the same price that it's going for right now. But I just wanted to let you know that if you are planning to buy a Louis Vuitton bag, just keep that in mind. So I pulled up my other phone and I am looking up the conversion rate from US dollars to euros on March 13, 2019, and the rate is 1.334 or 0.8843, whichever way you want to do it. We'll do 990 times 1.1334 is 11,022. So this is actually cheaper than I think what it costs in America. Plus I got money back. I got about $100 or so back. I think. I don't have a receipt for that. That shows how much money I received back. I can look at my credit card, but I got a good amount back from this purchase. So I think it was actually cheaper to buy it out of the country. Not too long ago, I looked up the price for this bag now, and it's about $1,500. So the price does increase year over year. I'm not sure exactly how much this cost in America last year, but I got it for a little over $1,000. And so I look at these bags. When I say these, I'm speaking this into existence because I want more than just the Louis Vuitton bag. But I think these bags are an investment. These are quality bags. You obviously, you get what you pay for. So this is a very quality bag. It is very sturdy, and even the straps alone, they're so thick and they don't feel like any other bag that I've had before. I usually do Coach or Michael Kors, but this is another level. I love how sturdy this bag is, and obviously this is real leather. I like the color. I like the classiness that this bag brings. It can dress up any outfit, like I said before. Right now I have this basic outfit dress. I got it from Forever 21, but just wanted to show you guys how this looks dressed up. Am I modeling the bag or my dress? Who knows? But yes. So thank you so much for watching me unbox my Louis Vuitton Neverfull bag. I'm very excited to finally use this bag. Click the like button if you enjoyed this content. Also click the subscribe button to see my very next video, which will be what's in my Louis Vuitton Neverfull bag. And click the bell to be notified whenever I post. And until my next video, I will see you later.